Hello guys, it's Paniset Kaseus. Today's subject is JavaScript statement. A computer program is a set of written instructions that a computer can use to carry out a task, and statements are instructions in a programming language. So a JavaScript program is a sequence of code that you type into your web browser, and JavaScript statements are composed of values, operators, expressions, keywords, and comments. Let's start. A, B, and C are our variables. Let's assign a variable 5, B to 8. Don't forget the semicolon. C to A plus B. Semicolons separate JavaScript statements. Each statement is executed in turn. Each statement is executed in turn, in the same order as it's written. You can use multiple statements on one line by separating them with semicolons. This would still work. On the web, you might see examples without semicolons. Ending statements with semicolon is not required, but highly recommended. We can see the results like this. Don't forget to save. As you can see, 13. On the web, you might see examples without semicolons. Ending statements with semicolon is not required, but highly recommended. It is used to distinguish between separate statements so that statements do not leak into other parts of the code. Let's talk about whitespace. JavaScript ignores multiple spaces. You can add whitespace to your script to make it more readable. The following lines are the same. Let's print this. And this. So no difference. A good practice is to put spaces around operators so it can be more readable. As you can see, a var a equals 5, var b equals 10. As you can see, putting spaces between operators make it much more readable. So guys, code readability is one of the most important aspects of programming because someone else might read your code, right? The main difference between var and let variables in JavaScript is that var variables are local to the function in which they are defined, while let variables are global to the entire program. Variables declared with the var keyword are automatically hoisted to the top of their scope. Hoisting means that a variable can be accessed in its enclosing scope even before it's declared. Variables declared with the let keyword have locals, which means they will have scope to the immediate enclosing block. Let's make a var example. In here, we expect 2. In here, we also expect 2 because it's global. Save it, run it, and as you can see, 2 and 2. Whereas in let's see. In here, we expect 2. But here, we expect 1. This is because let is local. So when we declare this let here, we will print it here and it dies there. This one is JavaScript keywords are special words that are not allowed to be used as regular words in a sentence. Reserved words cannot be used as names for variables. So for example, you can't use let var equals to 1. It gives an error. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.